In this video, I'll be showing you how to create and join a private server in Roblox, steal a Brainrot for your PS4, PS5, and Xbox as well. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, all you want to firstly go ahead and do is go ahead and find steal a Brainrot. It might be in your continue, and if you can't find it, just go over to search on the top and go ahead and search it up as well. Now, once you found it, it's going to look something like this, and all you want to do is go ahead and click on it. Now, unfortunately, if you are on console like PS4, PS5, or Xbox, unfortunately, there is a way to create or join a private server through console. But what you can basically do is on your phone or on a PC, go and log into the exact same account that you're logged into on your console. From here, just scroll down. You're going to see a lot of different things, but towards the bottom, you're going to see servers as one of the options. So go ahead and just click on servers. Then it's going to show that you have an option to create a private server if you want to, or you can join someone else's server as well. Then once you join it or create one over here, all you got to do then is go back to your console, and then you could basically configure that server as much as you want and, invite people, anything like that. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out all our other tutorials as well.